Today in this tutorial we would like to give an example which is on Unix operating system. So this type of operating system also called as Linux. So a domain is associated with the user and switching the domain corresponds to change the user identification is sometimes temporary, but this change is accomplished through the file system and an owner control that identification and domain bit like it can called UID and are associated with each file. So when the set UID bit on and user executes that file, the user ID is set to that owner of the file. So when the bit is off, however, the user ID does not change. So that's the matter. Now some of the other methods are also there to be used and to change domain in the operating system, in which the user IDs are used for domain definition, and also because of these all issues all the system need to provide such a mechanism. So this mechanism is used when and otherwise we can provide such as which are made available for the general user population, or for some instance we can use, and it might be desirable to allow user to access a network without letting them and write their own networking programs. So in such a case, on a Unix system, have the set UID bit on a networking program, and it would be set causing the user ID to change when the program was run. So the user ID would change to that of the user and some network access privilege is necessary. So these all about Unix and user ID security. So all above what we can discuss on some domain structure which facilitate the scheme just to describe a process which operates within a protection domain and which separates the resources that have the process of many access. So each domain defines a set of objects and the type of operation that may be invoked each other. So the ability to execute an operation and to object an access right is really helpful. So the association between a process and domain may be either static or it can be dynamic. So at might expected we can say the domain knowledge is really necessary if the association between the processes and domains is fixed, and we want to adhere all the need to know the principle. So the reason stems from and the fact process will bit by bit grows on, and we have to give some type of association and dynamic mechanism which are available and allows for switching, handling the process. So these all about Unix and security UID. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe and don't miss any updates. Thanks.